There are so many options for hosting your website, and then even when you pick one, you might run into frustrating workflows, performance issues, website downtime, and usually a lack of support. But the good news is that one of these options is an all-in-one hosting platform that outshines the rest, and that, my friends, is Elementor Hosting. If you give me 5 minutes, I'll give you 10 reasons why Elementor Hosting is the best WordPress hosting. And the first reason has to be the fact that over 15 million websites have already been built with Elementor Pro, which is quite a lot compared to some other popular platforms. Now, right off the bat, I want to make the distinction here between Elementor the plugin and Elementor Hosting. Same company, different products. Elementor Pro is an extremely popular WordPress plugin, and Elementor Hosting is an all-in-one hosting platform which includes the Elementor Pro plugin. And actually, that is the second reason why Elementor Hosting takes the cake, because with their hosting, you get access to one of the most popular WordPress plugins, which includes dozens of widgets that you can literally drag and drop to design really cool websites like this. We'll talk more about Elementor Pro features very soon, but in case it's not clear to you, the fact that Elementor Pro comes with hosting is revolutionary. You see, Elementor has been growing rapidly since its founding in 2016, and until recently, you'd have to first get web hosting and then separately sign up for Elementor and then install it on your website. But now they come packaged together, and that's what I mean when I say Elementor Hosting is an all-in-one hosting platform. It takes WordPress, which is great to begin with, and makes it better with Elementor Pro, and now it's even better since hosting is included. WordPress, which just so happens to be number 3 on our list, is the number 1 way to make a website, with WordPress powering over 43% of all websites on the internet. The types of websites that you can make with WordPress are virtually infinite, and that's probably why so many famous websites use WordPress and Elementor. Now, not only is the pairing of WordPress and Elementor a match made in heaven, but also the fact that Elementor Hosting is built on top of the Google Cloud platform is another beautiful pairing. Google, you've probably heard of them, has built this massive state-of-the-art global internet infrastructure that some other very recognizable brands use, and with Elementor Hosting, your website runs on top of the same powerful technology. By my estimates, it would cost you hundreds of dollars a month to run your website with Google Cloud, which, by the way, I don't recommend because it's even complicated for me. But with plans starting at just $10 a month for the first year, Elementor Hosting is a seriously affordable hosting option, especially when you compare its regular pricing to some of the other premium all-in-one hosting platforms out there. As I mentioned earlier, Elementor Hosting includes Elementor Pro, which alone is a $99 per year value, and this would typically be an additional expense if you would choose to host your website elsewhere. To get you started with your website, you can choose from dozens of fully designed website templates with layouts for everything from a portfolio to an online store, a food blog, travel blog, and so much more, all of which are lightweight and responsive on mobile devices. One of my favorite features about Elementor is the fact that you can take your business or brand's colors and fonts, define them once, and apply them to every page of your website. But perhaps what's even cooler is the fact that you can use artificial intelligence to generate content for your pages, generate images in pretty much any style or create variations of existing images, and even for those of you who dare, generate custom code to style your pages. All features which continue to blow my mind considering how advanced Elementor has become since I started using them over 4 years ago. Now, one of the reasons that I still use Elementor is because of all of the awesome features that you get, including access to dozens of drag and drop widgets to effortlessly make attractive, fully customizable web pages where you can easily give depth to your pages, transform text in pretty much any way, build advanced websites with dynamic content without writing a single line of code, add your very own contact forms, grab your visitors' attention with pop-ups, and even make a wide array of fun animations, which, by the way, are all features that WordPress alone does not support and would require installing additional plugins and paid subscriptions. Now, after seeing all these cool Elementor features, some of you who already have experience with website design are probably thinking that it would take forever to load a page like this, but that's not true because Elementor has optimized their hosting platform at every level to not only ensure a seamless design experience for you, but also a fast and highly engaging website for all of your visitors. And on top of that, Elementor hosting utilizes the Cloudflare content delivery network, which distributes cached copies of your website's assets to over 285 locations around the world, so that no matter where your visitors are in the world, your website will load quickly. Now, realistically, you're bound to have questions about Elementor hosting or WordPress, and the good news is that Elementor hosting comes with 24/7 chat and email support, so it's no wonder how Elementor has over 6,000 5-star ratings. We haven't even talked about some of the more advanced features like SSL certificates, daily backups, and multiple security layers, but we'll stop here because I think it's clear at this point that Elementor hosting is feature-rich yet user-friendly and affordable, and that's why Elementor has some of the best WordPress hosting. Use my affiliate link in the description below to sign up for Elementor hosting today, and check out this video next for a tutorial on how easy it is to set up a website with Elementor hosting.